In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create this 3D style rotating carousel animation in Canva. So let's get started. All right, first go to Elements, open Frames, scroll down a bit and choose any frame you like to add your images. Once the frame is added, you'll notice it has a border. Click on the border color option. Apply a gradient color to give it a more modern and premium look. Now, center align this frame on the page. Perfect. Let's close this for now. Now, duplicate this frame. Move the duplicated frame to the left side, make it slightly smaller, and align it vertically center. Duplicate it again and repeat the same process on the other side. These frames will act as our front view carousel images. Select all the front frames together. Move them slightly downward to create space for the next step. Now, copy the first frame, place it above exactly between the first and second frame like this. Duplicate it again and place it in the same pattern. These will act as the backside frames. Next, add your images into all frames. Once all images are added, move the top frames into their exact positions. Make sure these frames stay behind the front frames. This is important for the 3D rotation effect. Now, duplicate the page. On this page, we'll change the image order. Think of it like rotating a wheel. The left image comes to the center, and the other images move accordingly. Adjust the frames to match the rotation. Repeat this process for each slide until all rotations are ready. Once all slides are ready, click on the transition icon between pages. Select Match and Move. Apply it between all pages. And that's it. Your rotating photo carousel animation is complete, and this is the final result. I hope this video helped you create an amazing rotating carousel effect in Canva. I'll add the template link in the description so you can use it directly. And if you want to learn how to create vertical image scrolling animations, make sure to watch the next video. I'll see you there.